Hi, good evening, and yeah, I'm going back home, and it's cold as per usual. I always complain. Welcome back to this channel. It's another video. Hopefully, I'll be thrilled to film this one when I'm cold, like I'm freezing. So we will talk when I go home and then find something to eat. Yep, it's recording. Hey loves, so it's another vlog. Welcome to my home. So I decided to film today. It's a Sunday, I know, right? I could have filmed the whole weekend, but then I decided to film today. But then I have some short clips of cooking and others. I don't know if you'll be interested in that as well. I have a video to film for a brand, Canadian Tire. I'm so excited, I'm so happy always when I get a new package and it's literally here. So I want to film, and that's even inspired today's video. Actually, I said, why don't I film the behind the scenes of me filming a video for a brand? So yeah, welcome, and I hope this new year has been good to you. And yeah, I don't know what else to talk about, but then yeah, I've been cooking a bunch of things to eat for the week, and also to use some as accessory for the what I'm coming to film. I'll show you what I have here right now, so stay, don't you move. It's a big one. It's a big package. The other side has my address, so I don't want to put it there, but then yeah, it's a big place. So let's unbox this together. I'll be actually filming for TikTok and Instagram, since the Americans are not on TikTok. Oh, that is a sad situation. I want to even talk about it because it's someone's livelihood and it's not fun. The politics around it, they should settle it. I hope by the time I even edit and post this video, it would have been solved already, so it would be a thing of the past. So yeah. I'm always excited, and I got this a while ago, like 2 days. I think I got it on Thursday. Why am I lying? On Thursday, and I kind of know what is in already because I'm supposed to post a review on it. So they gave me, I know what is in, but then yeah, I wanted to see it. I think this keeps it moisture free or something. I don't know. most annoying thing ever happened to me. My storage goes full and I didn't know, so I unboxed the whole thing, and I think part of it didn't come. So all this part, I've done it already. I talked about how heavy this is and durable it looks and feels. It's a wooden serving tray. It's really small, and yeah.